Hey, it's Mishi here. Want that K-beauty-inspired glass skin without spending on expensive products? Today, I'll share a magical DIY remedy that gives you glowing, smooth, and flawless skin in just minutes. For this powerful glass skin remedy, you'll need just 3 natural ingredients: rice, aloe vera gel, and honey. Rice brightens skin and removes dead cells. Aloe vera gel hydrates and soothes the skin. Honey gives an instant glow and nourishes deeply. Take 2 tablespoons of rice and soak them for 2 hours. Then, blend it into a smooth paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well until you get a creamy consistency. Apply this magical mask evenly to your face and neck. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then gently massage in circular motions before rinsing with cold water. And just look at this glow! Your skin will feel fresh, soft, and radiant instantly. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to the ultimate glass skin glow. Try this and let me know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets. See you in the next video.